How's it going, world? My name is Adam Solis, and today I'm going to be talking about something that absolutely nobody talks about, and that's how to boost your credit score literally every night. I don't know why I just did that pause. I'm a little bit tired, but here, bear with me, guys. Now, before I get started, if you're new to the channel and this is your first time watching these videos, we talk about ways to improve your credit score, financial literacy, budgeting, and many different topics to help you improve your credit and financial habits, all done within 5 minutes or less. If you see me looking to the side of the camera, I do have some notes just because I want to make sure that I give you the most accurate information. If you find this helpful, do me a solid favor by subscribing and liking this video, and share it with somebody that you think may be able to benefit from it. Believe it or not, it helps us a ton. So with that being said, if you own or are currently making payments on a phone plan, then this trick will literally help you boost your credit. First off, you'll need to sign up for Experian.com. It's free and you don't have to put on any credit card information. Now, Experian has this feature that's called Experian Boost, where all you have to do is activate it and it literally boosts your credit score. Not only that, but you can link your phone plan so that anytime that you make a phone payment, it reflects your credit report as you make your on-time payments month after month. You can do this with your rent as well. So I want to read this off to you guys. So Experian Boost is a first of its kind feature that helps consumers instantly improve their FICO score by giving them credit for on-time utility, telecom, rent, and certain streaming services payments. Experian Boost is good for people with little to no credit history, as well as established borrowers looking to increase their credit scores. So basically, long story short, if you activate this, you will see an increase in your credit score. Literally, this is free. It takes a couple of minutes to do, and trust me, you'll thank me after. There's no risk to it. Huge reward at the end of the day. So this is something that I personally have done. I think my score went up literally like 40 points within a couple of days. So if you do this and it works, comment down below, tell me how much your credit was boosted. I'm not by any means sponsored by Experian Boost or Experian.com. Again, this is just something that I use and that can definitely help you guys out. So again, thank you guys for taking the time to click on this video. As I give you free information, I hope I earned your trust to like and subscribe the video, and maybe share it with a friend or family. Comment down below what you are currently struggling with, and I'll make another video here in the future. Thanks again. Until next time, love you guys. Peace.